What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Thursday over here. Bitcoin having a bit of a move today and yesterday. Well, overall, the past couple of days. Okay, we're going to be talking about what Bitcoin is doing, how this could potentially be bullish for the altcoins, at least in the short term. Okay, going to be taking a look into Ape, which is the main topic of this post. What is going on in here? Is it still alive? What are some possible upside potential as well as downside potential for this market in the short term? We'll be taking a look into some key price levels this coin needs to break in order to go either direction. I'm going to be giving you guys my personal opinions and sentiments on this market later in this video, so make sure to stay around for that. Of course, none of what I'm saying here is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, nor an elite trader of any sort, even though I am a profitable trader who's been able to keep most of my profits in the last bear market, and I'm looking to crush it here for the next bull cycle. So if you guys feel the same way, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into the charts. So currently we do have Ape here. Updating from my previous posts a couple weeks back. Let's see what could be going on in here, okay? Because it's been a couple weeks. Let's see what I said last time is still valid. What has changed? Let's take a look into Ape on this weekly time frame. Okay, last time I said price action was running within this falling wedge pattern. Price action did continue to run within this falling wedge pattern. Still no sign of an up move yet, right? It has not moved anywhere towards that upper trend line for a potential breakout to even retest this upper trend line here. Okay. What I said last time was this is a falling wedge. Falling wedges typically break to the upside. Okay, but while you're in the falling wedge, it is not fun to be a bull. Okay, so the upside here, if this price action is able to break to the upside, big if, okay, we basically took the measurement of the opening of the pattern and we put it in an expected breakout date. Now, since we have put the expected breakout date to be, last week's candle, because we just wanted to take a target, a measured target, right, of the breakout of this falling wedge. But, it has not come anywhere near that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this measurement and then move it more into the future, right? Because right now it's pretty close to that bottom trend line. And I think, we're going to move it more into the future and still get a measured target this way, because the measured target is important. I want to get an estimate of a possible breakout and a possible price that the price action could, go to or go towards, because measured targets are estimates only. It's not an automatic move to that price, right? And it could take some time, even if it was to play out. Go do your Google searches on measured targets, falling wedges. Go ahead and verify these concepts for yourself. It is public knowledge, right? So that is what I'm seeing as a possible breakout. Let's just say if it breaks out later, like mid-November, I think that's kind of reasonable, given that how close now it is, to the bottom trend line. Of course, I saw some of your comments telling me about possible tokenomics, other things that are basically not indicated here on this technical analysis charts. Yeah, that could happen. You could have some random event that either pumps or dumps the market. But what I'm really just looking at is the technical analysis, right? Because I think at the end of the day, it's, I want to see what the market is doing, and basically block out a lot of what people are saying, right? Because I think at the end of the day, it's really what they're doing that matters. And that is basically said here on this chart, at least what people have done. That should give you a clue of what people are going to do. Of course, not certainly, but with, a better idea at least. Okay, let's take a look into the upside, the key price levels going upwards. Okay, key price levels. First of all, it's going to be the weekly 21 SMA, currently about $2.28, the blue line. The weekly 50 SMA, about $3.60, the gray line. This is the weekly time frame. 3-day time frame, $1.66 area. That's the 3-day 21 SMA, 50 SMA, $2.40 area, the gray line. Let's see if we have any monthly moving averages. Nope, still don't. So let's go down to daily time frame. Daily time frame, we have the daily blue line right here, $1.33 area. That's the daily 21 SMA, daily 50 SMA, $1.60 area. Daily 200 SMA at about the $2.90 area. Keep in mind that these are just some key notable resistances going upwards. Okay. If you guys want to get a more detailed look into, more resistances going upwards, you guys can take a look into past trading history for whatever time frames you guys are trading on. Let's take a look into the downside here. Some key price points going down. First of all, since we don't have any major moving averages as support beneath the price action, then we're going to take a look into past trading history only, which you could do for the upside as well, but for time's sake, we're going to skip that. Now, on this downside, right? First of all, if you were to continue down this pattern without breaking it, then you can probably get an idea of, where the next prices are going to be from just looking at this bottom trend line here. If it breaks this pattern, what I would do is I will adjust this bottom trend line to see if it fits a falling wedge pattern still, right? A falling wedge is basically where you have a flatter bottom trend line comparing to the upper trend line, right? So it looks like you could probably still adjust this quite a bit more to still fit a falling wedge, falling channel, right? And then still get an estimate of what the next prices will be if the price action was to continue down this pattern without breaking it. The all-time lows here from this chart is at about, from as far as I can see here, is this green candle about, 90 cents area, I'm just gonna say. Let's take a look into the daily time frame just to get a more exact candle here. It's just way too small now, so we're basically very close to all-time lows, about let's just say 95 cents area here. Okay, so that's gonna be your next key level, in addition to some levels along this falling wedge pattern if it was to continue going. So that's basically what I'm seeing for Jasmine. If you guys have made it this far into this video, thank you very much. If you guys don't already have a Webull account but want to get some free stocks, if you guys are trading anyways, check out my referral link down below. They're still giving away free stocks valued up to $3,000. Terms and conditions do apply when you guys open an account and deposit $100 US. I did enjoy using Webull as an exchange to trade both cryptos and stocks, but with any one exchange, I would not put most or all my money onto any one exchange. I personally diversify my funds across several exchanges in case one goes down, I don't get wrecked. If that sounds like something that makes sense to you, check out my referral link down below. Let's go to my personal sentiment real quick. I'm just gonna do this very verbally, probably. Okay, so let's just go to the Bitcoin chart here, right? Let's talk about this possible move here. So Bitcoin has been trying to stay away from that breakdown on the weekly time frame, double top. It looks like it is avoiding it at the moment, right? This double top pattern on this weekly time frame, very bearish, 17K area target. With this move here, this recent pump, it looks like it's trying to stay away from it. It's gone on top of 26.5K, broken out of this falling wedge on this 4-hour time frame, right? Measure target here is at about 29.2K. That's an estimate out of this falling wedge pattern. Imagine quite a bit of resistance at about 28K, quite a bit of moving averages there, major moving averages. So expect sell pressure there. My overall opinion on this market is bullish right now, okay, in the short term. I will pivot if I see Bitcoin pivoting, breaking some key levels, as I've been talking about. I don't currently have Ape. But if you guys do want to see more of ApeCoin, do like, comment, subscribe. I'll bring you guys a follow-up if you guys want to see it. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of the day. See you later.